We might be in luck with this one. Number 3 running. Now let's get those plastics finished. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I can see I'm in a cab driving in South Africa. I came over yesterday to have a look at some motorbikes. The treasures of South Africa are going to hopefully be revealed to all of us. So I'm going to share that with you today. So we're off to a place called Randberg in Johannesburg. I've only got a short time here, but hopefully I'll be able to give us some good footage and give you the opportunity, if you're interested in looking for some motorcycles which aren't normally on the trodden path. This might be a country where you could start to explore, and I'll hopefully share with you the contacts. Yes, so hopefully I'll be able to share with you the contacts of the sellers or the importers, exporters from South Africa. So I'll see you on the other side.
Thank you very much.
Wow, look at that. Straight off the bat. First bike I've seen. Oh my goodness. Hi.
How you doing?
Good, and you?
Good, thank you.
Sorry, I'm just filming straight away
Oh, good.
on the channel. It's for the YouTube channel.
Nice.
Sure, nice start, eh?
There we go.
Well, we'll talk a bit more.
Finish it up.
Thank you. Didn't expect to see such vintage bikes here.
Motor is
No way. So is this these bikes all for sale here?
yeah. This is a very scarce one.
Yeah.
I know for a fact there's 3 left in South Africa.
3?
Yeah.
So how far you got to go before this is done?
No, this is just. It's been a project that I started and it stopped and I didn't finish it.
Are you looking to sell it as it is?
No.
This is your baby.
No, I've got a couple. This is SP3, I've got SP4, I've got SP6. So I've got a couple of. Then we got I like the unique stuff, the Harris Honda.
Yes.
Harris. I've got a Spondon. I've got 2 Rickman Kawasaki's, all old stuff.
All old stuff.
Yeah.
Man, this is amazing.
And I'll show you like a CR750
Lovely.
that we're busy building and so on.
From South Africa's perspective, I mean, how did these bikes come to be in South Africa? I mean, they've been here for a long time, I guess.
Okay,
or-
the old Simon Fourie from Bike SA, I don't know if you...
I've heard of the name. I've been in England for 30 years. So.
He's a legend. Simon Fourie. He started the first bike magazine in the 70s. He used to bring in all the special bikes, and he used to organize rally events, like rallies. And then he used to say, for instance, when the Busa came out in 98 or 99, he had a Busa in South Africa before Suzuki. South Africa had a Suzuki.
That sounds so typical.
So he's such a unique guy, used to be. That is the guy that broke the record of traveling from Durban to Joburg.
Yes.
With a GSX-R under 3 hours.
Wow.
Type of, so
That's a five. Normally, for those overseas, that's a 5-6 hour drive.
6 to 7 hour drive.
Oh my goodness!
And it wasn't the freeways of no. It was
No,
in the early 80s
exactly.
still, so
Up there, what's that pass called? Van Riemen's Pass.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
So a pity. He had a big place, and he auctioned all his old motorbikes off and so on. So
You climbed in.
no. Everybody climbed in. There was a lot of people. It was a big auction. 200 plus, 300 plus motorcycles, and unique stuff. Very, very unique. Like that TD that's in the front. there,
Yes.
That was one of these ones that we bought and so
I don't think
on.
I've ever seen one.
Yeah. Oh, but look how unique that is.
Is that what I think it is?
It's 1300 Kawasaki.
Guys, what do you think of that sound? Wow. That sounds so throaty.
So like this is the old FZR, the old Genesis
Yeah.
that we fitted the single-sided swing onto.
From what bike?
This is Suzuki.
Oh, is it with the 916?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So I have a Piposta which I'm converting to the mono now.
Yeah.
But I'm looking for a rear sub for it, rear subframe. You don't know where I can get one. The aluminium one.
I think I might have.
There's no space for these bikes, so they're doing them outside here in unfamiliar rain.
Yeah,
It's not normal.
unfamiliar. Totally unique. XT500.
Ah, look at this, man.
Only thing that's not original is the golden wheels.
Yes.
And
Are those exciting?
Yeah, no, it's the standard ones that we changed the color.
Oh, okay. How do you mean? You painted them or anodized them?
No, we don't anodize them anymore because the anodizing fade in our sun.
Does
So
it?
we gun coat them now. So it's quite unique.
This is the XR. This is the 500 or the 600.
600L.
Nice.
There was different ones, but this is one of the most unique ones I came across in a long time. Don't worry.
What is
This
that?
is a Honda CR750 or the Dickman replica. And everything must go. I can't cope. I'm 64 years old. I can't cope with all the motorbikes anymore.
You heard it here first.
RD350, RD350 LC, the first water-cooled ones, where the exhaust pipes come out at the back and the carburetors sit in the front.
No, come on. So there's a fairly healthy air intake on the front.
Yes. So I tried to copy a TZ, but for road purposes. This guy,
I love those old.
that is GT750. That is also, that bike there is Old Man Onassis. Jerry Onassis is the guy that made a 750 Suzuki, 1000 Suzuki. He added an extra cylinder, but that was in the 70s. If, for instance, there is genuine Yoshimura exhaust pipes for the old Z900s. Behind that is Micron exhaust pipes for the YPVSs.
That's just the wrong sound to come out of a road bike like this.
It sounds a lot better with a transient pump. All the stuff is original. The seat thing. Even the original key.
You just said to me something, you're going to take me to a famous house.
Yes.
So what is this famous house? Sounds very ominous.
That is a house that I bought,
Yes.
and we just stored motorcycles in there.
So we come into the special house. Special house. So
Like
when you
this
think I was exaggerating when I said the treasures of South Africa, you'd be hard pressed to believe what you see here. I mean, this is
Zunda.
Sunda. So Kaplan America, you've got to come over here. You've got to come and take some of these bikes off. Donnie, he's struggling for space. His bed, where's your bed? Somewhere in the back there.
On top.
It's on top. And you're not joking either.
Not joking.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
TT500, T250, YPVSs, dry clutch pre-sling. There's one of those Dr. Bigs. There's
Yes, the
DR800. There must be 2 here somewhere.
yeah. The stuff here.
I'm one of the smallest collector, or I don't call myself a collector as yet, but I'm one of the smallest one. There is a fair amount of big collectors in South Africa.
Wow.
That's got 300 or 400 motorcycles. That's very, very unique stuff.
Really.
So,
I'm about to go and see one later on, I believe.
yes,
Yes. But he's unfortunately he's reticent to let me film, so
there is
I hope he'll change his mind. But I feel like I'm about to go and look at the champagne collection of champagne bottles here. Oh yes, more. So guys, loads of spare parts, loads of bits and pieces here for you.
TZ,
There's a two-stroke there. What's that?
yeah, TZ250.
Wow.
There's Rickman frame, and there's another Rickman lying at the back there.
So folks, this stuff is all for sale. The stuff is all for sale. You just got to contact Donnie through his Randberg Motorcycles website and they'll respond to you.
Now, I've got another sickness if it comes to tools. A TC, Z1R TC Turbo. There's some of the turbo stuff there.
I can see the turbo in there, yes.
That is quite unique. If you want to take it, you're welcome to take it and put it in your luggage. This is for the Race to Catties, the 999s.
Oh, that's for the 999.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's why I don't recognize it. This is the NSR 250 rims. More. Okay, what have we got here?
This is all engine stuff. That's GS1000. Look at the GT750 barrels here. Two-stroke.
Yes.
Yeah, here's another one. Yeah.
Parts, people, parts. Some had better days.
Yeah, that's the X-Race motor.
Again, just contact Donnie, and I think you've got a photographic memory of what it is you have here. maybe he can, through Louw de Toy, who I'll put his link to, can arrange any shipment of stuff that you want. So this is a private group on Facebook, right?
Yes.
And so if you contact the bike shop, they will look for parts for you. So be specific about what you want, what year, and I'm assuming then they'll come back with whether the part's available and what the price is.
Exactly.
Okay. And you're happy to pack the parts out and ship them?
100%.
Yeah?
We'll do that gladly.
If you give them time, just ask them by email what it is that you're looking for, and give them just time, because as you can see, Don is running around crazy trying to find me some parts, yeah, it's a bit tricky just to find what we're looking for exactly. But if you give him time, he'll be able to send somebody around to actually go and dig them out, because there's definitely stuff here, definitely.